30.
The third quarter. Ali versus
Out of bounds. Turnover. Now jersey number 23. Asking for screen. Attacking the basket. Kick out to jersey number 16. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number. Nakuha si jersey number 03. Pass to 30. Pass break to jersey number 11. 3-point attempt. Titikhan na magtikok. 23. Dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 1. Another steal. Jersey number 30 to 23. 2-for-17. 3-point attempt.
3 points by Dinablan.
3 points. Hindi mo magpatuwa.
37-31.
To jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 4. To jersey number 1 to 19. What a block! And may magkabo. Now jersey number 23 to 17. Fake. Traveling back. Now jersey number 23. You're asking for screen. Jersey number 23. Pass to 1. To the middle to jersey number 4. Drop, no good. A rebound taken by jersey number 17. Pass to 23. Pass to 17. Another 3-point attempt, no good. A rebound by jersey number 03 to 23. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 11. Attacking the basket. Drop. Bam! That's 2 points. O balik sa 8 ang abanse. 39-31. Now jersey number 23 behind the back. Pass to jersey number. Another steal by jersey number 11. Foul! First free throw no. Wala ginang duwa. Na-rebounds in jersey number 1. Now jersey number 13. Pass to the corner. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number 03. Pass to 17. To 23. Now jersey number 23. Pass to 30. Of the last 2 points. Opulo naman sa liwat. 31-41.
31-41.
Now jersey number 13 to 16. Attacking the basket. Nice pass. Oh, foul. Oh, basket. 7 minutes. Up, 1 out of 2. Now jersey number 23. Siyam na Bansea. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 30. Pull up jumper, no good. Kabus. Out of bounds. 13. Pass to 16.
Sagino.
Attacking the basket. Block. Na-rebounds on jersey number 03. Pass to 23. Now jersey number 23. Pass to 11. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound taken out of bounds. Volleyball. Oh, jersey number 6. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 03. Pass to 23. Pass to 17. Oh, that was no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 17. No good. Nakuha sa jersey number 19. Pass to 6. To 13. Now jersey number 13. Attacking the basket. Kick out to jersey number 1. Tear drop. 2 points.
By Sasa.
34-41.
34-41.
5 minutes and 35. Now jersey number 23. Pass to 30. Foul! Basket! Wala na sila ng bonus shot. Jersey number 13. Pass to 16. 3-point attempt. No good. The rebound taken by jersey number 23. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 30. Attacking the basket, spin move. Get up to 0-8. 2-0-5. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by the out of bound. Now jersey number 23. 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound by jersey number 13. Pass break to jersey number 1. Up, 2 points.
By Sasa. 35-43.
Oh, 43. 36.
7-point lead. San Rafael.
To jersey number 10 to 23. 2-0-5 back to 23. Attacking the basket, side step kick out. Pull up jumper, no good. A rebound by jersey number 30. Balik sa siya mga bansi.
36.
Now jersey number 13.
Score 36-45 San Rafael.
Pass to 16. To jersey number 6. Pull up jumper, no good. A rebound taken by jersey number 4. Pick. Foul. Basket down.
Bonus shot by Chan.
Wala na suot ang bonus shot. Na-rebound siya jersey number 30. Now jersey number 23. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number 34. Now jersey number 13. Attacking the basket. Layup. 2 points. O 5 bansi. 45-40 San Rafael. 3 minutes and 10, third quarter. Now jersey number 23. Pass to 0-5. Back to 23 to 0-5. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Oh, nagwa pa. Foul. Foul. 0-5 to 30. Fake. Attacking the basket. Wala ka na sunod. Nakuha si jersey number 13. Now jersey number 13 coast to coast. Pass to jersey number 6. No good. Rebound by jersey number 34 to jersey number 1 to jersey number 6. Oh, back the last 2 points. O, tatlo na lang ang bansi. 2 minutes and 30. Tatlo na lang. Three-point attempt. No good. And rebound taken by jersey number 6. Now jersey number 13. Pass break to jersey number 1. Out of bounds. Jersey number 05. Pass to 23. Attacking the basketball. Jumper. Bang. 2 points. Balik sa 5.
42-40.
No 50. Now jersey number 6. Pass to 34 to jersey number 1. Fair drop, 2 points. Tatlo bansi. Jersey number 05. Pass to jersey number 10. Back to 05. Back to 10. Back to 5. To jersey number 10. Pull up jumper. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number 34. Pass to jersey number 13. Now jersey number 13. Attacking the basket. Nice move! Isang galaw! Isa na lang ang bansi! Isa na lang ang bansi! Oh, 1 minute! Ayun, 3 points! No good! Oh, kuha sa jersey number 10 to 05, 10 to shoot, 3-point attempt, no good. Rebound by jersey number 30. Foul! Remaining time. Wala na sa loob. Hindi ka makatang sa
46-47.
3-point attempt. No good. 30. There's a whistle.
6:47 sa Maracayan. Sana naman,
15, 10 to shoot. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound by the team. No good. 2 points. Otra vez. 5.
At the end of the third quarter, 49-46.
O, tatlo naman siya.
Of San Rafael.
Tatlo man siya. End of third quarter. 49-46.